Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to prepare white sauce pasta, veg pasta. Very easy, very tasty. So we'll see what we want for that. We want pasta seasoning, mixed herbs, chili flakes. Chili flakes I have not kept here, but you want that also. Cut vegetables. I have taken corn, capsicum, carrot, beans here. Now we'll boil the cut vegetables now. For that we have taken one full glass of water, to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. To this we will add vegetables. So we want vegetables not to be very soft, so we will boil it for just 5 to 7 minutes. Cover with the lid. So after 5 to 7 minutes we'll see that if it is soft. Yeah, we don't want it to be very soft. Yes, we'll switch it off now. And now we'll see how to cook pasta. So I have taken wheat penne pasta here. First we will take 3 full glasses of water. To that 2 teaspoon of salt I have added and 1 tablespoon of oil I am adding here. Let it boil. After that we will add 3 cups of penne pasta. So 3 cups will be enough for 3 persons. So it will serve 3 persons. So we will cover it now with a lid and keep it for 15 minutes. So as it is wheat pasta, we need 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook. So we will see if it is cooked properly. Yeah, it is cooked properly now. Now in a separate tawa we'll put ghee, 2 teaspoons of ghee. To that we have added wheat flour here. Wheat flour is 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of wheat flour you can add here. Fry it till golden brown. Then you can add boiled and cooled milk. So with fat milk only you can take here, which has more fat content. So now mix it without lumps. In medium flame you can cook it. Yeah, it is now without lumps. Stir it. 1 more glass of milk you can add. Mix it properly. From the sides you can scrape it around. And now you can add vegetables. Cooked vegetables, half cooked vegetables. Yes, so colorful it is. Now you can add pasta seasoning. 1.5 teaspoons I am adding here. Chili flakes. Chili flakes you can increase. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon. Mixed herbs. You can give it a quick mix. Now adding 2 teaspoons of salt or 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You can add according to your taste. Now we'll add cooked pasta. Here wheat pasta I have taken and wheat flour also we have taken, which is very healthy when compared to maida. So all the cooked pasta we are adding here. So you can taste it now and see if anything is needed. So you can add it. And now we'll add mayonnaise, eggless mayonnaise, 3 teaspoons. Mayonnaise gives very good taste to pasta, so don't miss adding mayonnaise. Mix it now, give it a quick stir. Yes, our very delicious pasta is ready, white sauce pasta. To this you can garnish with pasta seasoning or mixed herbs. Yes, our yummy pasta is ready. So please try it at home. Tell me how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share. And if you want more videos like this, please click the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.